What's up guys, I'm Guri here and this is X50, not a X50 Pro, and today we are doing a drop test from 300 feet. Can this phone survive 300 feet drop test? Let's check it. This is a new smartphone from Vivo company. This is a X series. The phone quality is very super. You can see the phone is very low weight. Can this phone survive test from 300 feet? Let's check it. Now we are dropped from 300 feet. One, two, three. As you can see, the phone from drop 300 feet, no dent, any dent, but touch is not working, slightly working. As you can see, the phone is totally safe, but touch is not working. Now we are doing another drop without cover. Let's check it. Can this phone survive another drop from 300 feet without cover? Let's see it. Guys, as you can see, the phone is totally safe, but the screen not working. Let's do it another drop from 300 feet. Can this phone survive from without cover? Let's see it. Now guys, you can see the phone dropped from 300 feet without cover. The phone is damaged, but touch is still working. You can see touch is not working, and side chrome is totally damaged, back panel is totally damaged, front is totally damaged, but phone is still working. This is X50 Pro. This phone survived damage with cover, but without cover the phone is totally damaged. The back panel is damaged. Now you can see from here. Okay guys, if you like this video, so please like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you guys, and if you more video, then please subscribe the channel.